20 AI video hacks 99% of creators don't know. 2026. By 2026, AI video will be everywhere. Everyone can generate content in minutes, but most creators will fail. Why? Because tools alone do not create success. Understanding does. Today, I'm revealing 20 AI video hacks that only top creators use. Apply even 5 of them, and your videos will instantly feel smarter, faster, and more human than 99% of the internet. Stay till the end. The last hack is the most important and will change your entire strategy. Hack number 20. Use humor to humanize AI. Hook after heading. Perfect videos are boring. Humans relate to flaws. Here's a funny example. A creator generated an AI explainer about investing in stocks. The video was perfect voice, perfect animations, but nobody watched. Then he added a tiny moment where a character accidentally spilled coffee on a chart. Views tripled. Why? Relatability. Humor humanizes AI. Another time, an AI narrator paused, blinked, and acted confused when explaining a complex concept. The audience laughed and retention soared. Humor makes AI feel alive. Don't be afraid to add subtle mistakes. Small imperfections create emotional engagement. Pro tip, think of one small funny twist for every 30 seconds of your video. Hack number 19, iterate multiple versions. Hook after heading it. The first output is rarely the best. Top creators generate 3 or more versions of the same scene. Then they compare emotion, clarity, and pacing. Sometimes they even combine the best parts of each. AI allows you to test ideas faster than humans ever could. You can see what works visually, auditorily, and emotionally in minutes instead of hours. Mini story, a YouTube creator generated 3 intros for a finance video. Version 1 was too fast, version 2 too slow, and version 3 perfect pace. The difference in retention was 30% higher than their previous videos. Iteration is invisible to viewers, but obvious in quality. Hack number 18, add imperfections on purpose. Hook after heading. Perfection feels fake. Slight camera shakes, delayed reactions, small pauses, or even imperfect lip syncs can make AI feel human. Imagine a tutorial video where the AI character slightly mispronounces a word but recovers with a smile. That moment creates relatability. Viewers instinctively trust content that feels human, even if it's generated. Pro tip, for every 5 AI-generated clips, introduce at least 1 micro imperfection to simulate real-world filming. Hack number 17, split videos into mini prompts. Hook after heading. One big prompt creates average results. Top creators split a video into segments. Intro scene, transition scene, main explanation, visual metaphor, ending scene. Each segment gets its own focused prompt. This method ensures control over visual style, emotion, pacing, and audio. You don't want one prompt to decide your entire video's quality. Yeah. Hack number 16, use silence as a tool. Hook after heading. Silence is emotional power. Many creators make the mistake of filling every second with dialogue or music. Silence draws attention. It gives weight to your message. For example, when announcing an important fact, pause for half a second before showing the statistic. That tiny pause increases retention and comprehension. Mini story. A creator generated an AI video on productivity tips. During the key tip, she inserted a 2-second pause before the reveal. Engagement skyrocketed. Viewers literally leaned in subconsciously. Hack number 15, test hypothesis with AI. Hook after heading. Testing beats guessing. AI is a tool to experiment. You can generate multiple hooks, intros, or visual styles for the same topic, post them as shorts, and see what works. The winning approach becomes your full video. Pro tip, track click-through rate, retention, and engagement for each version. AI allows you to fail cheaply and learn fast. Hack number 14, control speed more than quality. Hook after heading. Fast videos feel smarter. Shorter clips, faster transitions, and rapid pacing keep viewers engaged. A cinematic slow pace works in movies, but online, attention spans are short. Mini story. A creator had a 5-minute AI explainer. Cutting it into a 90-second version with faster pacing doubled completion rate. Hack number 13, layer prompts like a pro. Hook after heading. One-line prompts limit AI potential. Top creators layer prompts, scene details, like emotion, camera movements, lighting, sound design, pacing. Layering adds depth and cinematic quality, making AI videos feel like professional productions rather than generic clips. Hack number 12. Show ideas, not objects. Hook after heading. Ideas stick longer than objects. Instead of just showing a person explaining, visualize concepts like time passing, fear approaching, or opportunity disappearing. Abstract visuals make content memorable. Pro tip: AI can animate metaphors. For instance, time slipping away can be a sand clock pouring rapidly while a character works frantically. Hack number 11. Never explain everything. Hook after heading. Mystery keeps viewers hooked. Top creators leave some details unseen. Suggest rather than explain, let viewers imagine. AI videos that suggest allow the brain to fill gaps, increasing engagement and curiosity. Hack number 10, sound design is half the video. Hook after heading. A beautiful video with bad audio feels fake. Top creators add layered sound, footsteps, ambient noise, background music, room tone. AI allows precise control. A mismatch in sound breaks immersion. Mini story, a horror AI clip with perfect visuals, but flat audio was ignored. Adding subtle creaks and distant wind increased retention by 40%. Hack number 9. Use AI for what humans struggle with. Hook after heading. AI shines at repetition, speed, and abstract visualization. Do not ask AI to replace creativity. Use it to remove friction, animation, background, transitions. Focus your energy on storytelling, emotion, and pacing. Hack number 8. Think in moments, not full videos. Hook after heading. Brains remember moments, not minutes. Break your video into opening hook, curiosity building, shock or surprise, explanation, and conclusion. Generate each separately for more precise control and retention. Hack number 7. Never start with visuals. Hook after heading. The first 5 seconds are everything. Start with a hook, question, or contradiction. Visuals support curiosity, not the other way around. AI video should reflect the story, not just display objects. Hack number 6. Use camera movement intentionally. Hook after heading. Motion signals importance. Slow zoom equals seriousness. Fast cut equals urgency. Still frame equals focus. Describe camera movement in AI prompts to guide attention subconsciously. Hack number 5. Plan like a director, not a user. Hook after heading. Your prompt is a mini script. Include camera, lighting, mood, and environment. Top creators design results. Never hope AI gives what you want. Hack number 4, iterate audio and visuals separately. Hook after heading. Visuals alone do not sell. Sound makes them believable. Generate visuals first, then add layered audio for maximum realism and immersion. Hack number 3, humor and relatability. Hook after heading. Humans love imperfection. A short example. AI-generated cooking video was perfect but boring. Add a chef dropping an egg. Views skyrocket. Imperfection plus humor equals relatability. Number 2, design for retention. Hook after heading. Attention is currency. Use pacing, visuals, audio, and strategic pauses to hold viewers. AI allows rapid testing of different styles to see which keeps attention longest. Hack number 1, think beyond the tool. Hook after heading. Tools do not create success. Thinking does. AI is only as powerful as your strategy, storytelling, and psychology. Most creators focus on buttons. The top 1% focus on impact. Master AI, but master thinking first. Start using AI like the top 1%. If this video helped you see AI differently, here's your action plan. Focus on hooks, plan in moments, test relentlessly, layer prompts, respect sound, pacing, and timing, add humor and imperfection. AI is only a mirror. You control the reflection. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on the bell. In 2026, content will be everywhere, but only creators who think differently will win.